Okay, I'm gonna show you how to drop a pin here on your Garmin. It's your navigation system. It's really simple to do. Say for instance, I'm here at the location. You see this error right here. That's letting me know where I'm at. So you can just click on it and it's gonna come up. As you can see, it shows you all your information. And only thing you have to do is hit save. Once you hit save, you're gonna name it. We'll say Walmart parking lot or whatever. Once you do that, you hit done. And now it done saved it to your places. Hit OK. And we can go back. Just hold this button. Hold it for 2-3 seconds. It takes you to home. And you go where to. Hit save. All saved places. You see right here, Walmart parking lot. It gives you your longitude. It gives you everything. So that's how you drop a pin. So if you're somewhere in the country and you don't know a person's address, they're down a dirt road or something, just click on that little arrow, set your location, and you can give them a name. All right, I hope this video helped. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.